Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Jack, and in this video we're going to be doing a post-Christmas update on THETA. We're going to be doing technical analysis as of today. Going to be giving you some price targets to the upside if this bull run continues, and I'll also give you some targets to the downside in case you're looking to fill your bags. And finally, I'll be giving you an invalidation point, a point at which you can get out and protect your capital if things go wrong, as it's important to be prepared for that. So all that and more in this video. Before we get in, if you haven't already, please do consider hitting that subscribe button and clicking that notification bell. I make a lot of content, guys. Been trading for a good few years now. Yeah, you'll probably end up saving money at some point by watching this content. So just make sure you're notified when these come out, so you actually get the content when you need it. So let's jump in, right? So THETA is actually outperforming most of the crypto market right now. We're outperforming Bitcoin in that we're above our EMA band here. And in fact, if we go THETA USD divided by the total 3, which is the total market cap excluding Ethereum and Bitcoin, you can see that THETA right now is holding above its EMA band, outperforming the rest of the market currently, which is absolutely fantastic to see. So yeah, THETA is doing better than 90% of the crypto market. So this is a coin to keep your eye on. But in the immediate short term, let's see what's going to happen. So we're starting out here on the weekly time frame, right? So let's start with the basics here. So THETA is technically in a sort of it had been up in an uptrend, but it's sort of in a range right now. So we're sort of ranging around after this huge breakout, which is fine. We're above our EMA band here on the weekly time frame, which is very bullish. Our RSI on the weekly is above our midline as well. So all in all, with these three signals, this is looking bullish on the weekly time frame. There's no immediate cause for concern. We've had a beautiful retest of our weekly EMA band, which is fantastic. It's good, always good to see these long wicks to the downside at a support level like this. So that looks good. In terms of targets to the upside, I'm still looking at my take profit 1 will be here at sort of $5 to $6. My take profit 2 will be up here at sort of $12 to $12.50. If we do break that, then it will be time to reassess. But just for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to keep things grounded. Those are my immediate take profit targets to the upside. And I do expect once we break through that prior high at $3.80, we're basically just going to teleport up to $5 to $6, which will be absolutely fantastic. If we go down to the smaller time frames, then we are right now looking at the 2-day. And so for trading these altcoins, right, I love using the 2-day EMA band. And one of my rules for an altcoin is that I can only be in an altcoin if the price is currently above its EMA band on the 2-day time frame. THETA currently matches that, which is good to see. And right now we are at this buy zone and currently retesting it. Now, I had previously marked out this EMA band here between $2.25 and $2 pretty much exactly as your buy zone. So THETA is currently in the buy zone, so just take note of that. I don't want to see it go down much further than this, to be honest. But for the moment, we've pulled back nicely in this sort of higher time frame uptrend. We've pulled back. We're at support right now, guys, so there's no cause for concern, and we're doing what we need to do to hold the line here. But in terms of invalidation, then the point at which I would start getting concerned and starting to sell my bags is that if you see THETA break below this EMA band at sort of $2, break below and reject it, like that would look something like breaking below here and rejecting it, that is your signal to get out. So for the moment, we are still above. That invalidation is not valid yet. But as I say, just keep an eye on this chart, guys. Put it on your chart, put this EMA band on. If you see the price break below and rejecting, it's time to get out. But as it stands, THETA is actually in the buy zone right now. So that is looking good. On the daily time frame, then, we are currently actually interested in this. Actually, we had this downsloping RSI trend line since basically the end of November there, and we have just now in the last couple of days we have just started breaking out of the trend line and trying to reclaim that midline on the RSI. What we don't want to see is the price falling back below, the RSI falling back below this trend line. But for the moment, it's breaking out and could potentially spell some upside. But obviously, we would need to see a confirmed break above this daily EMA band, which is basically at $2.50. If we do see that, then it'll be time to start targeting these higher levels, $2.80 to $3.40. But in the immediate short term, guys, THETA is looking better than most of the crypto market. We're above our EMA band. I expect it to hold, but if it doesn't and you start falling below sort of $1.80, that's time to get out. So I hope you enjoyed that video today. If you did, please do consider hitting that subscribe button and clicking that notification bell. It really helps me out, guys, and I'm doing my best to save you losing your money in these markets. All right. So I'm going to leave the video here and I'll speak to you in the next one. Bye bye.